Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video I am posting for grade 10 students in which I would discuss question number 5 from exercise 2.3. In my last videos I have completed exercise 2.3 till question 4 and we have discussed some question on the basis of division algorithm. I would request you all, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. And check the playlist for upcoming videos. So I would start with the question 5 from exercise 2.3. Here we have to give some example of polynomial such that they follow the division algorithm, and the degree, in the first case you have to check the degree of polynomial px should be equals to degree of qx. It means dividend polynomial and the quotient polynomial should have the same degree. So let us take one example. I have taken randomly one polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 6 and randomly another polynomial gx I have taken as 2. So when I divide 2x square plus 5x plus 6 by 2, I would get x square. Now once you will divide 2x square by 2, you will get x square in the first part of quotient polynomial. So x square multiplied by 2, it will come 2x square. Then when it get cancelled, you will left with 5x plus 6. When you divide 5x by 2, you will get 5 by 2x, and when you multiply 5 by 2x by 2, you will get 5x. Similar way, 6 when it will come 3 in the quotient polynomial. So what we can observe here, the quotient polynomial is the quadratic polynomial, again x square plus 5 by 2x plus 3 and rx is 0, right? And here the degree of px, that was 2, and the degree of qx, that is also coming 2, right? And also we can see the polynomial can be written as 2 into x square plus 5 by 2x plus 3, which is gx into qx plus remainder 0. So we can write the division algorithm also for the given example. Hence we can say this is a correct example. It is not compulsory that you take the same example. You can take many other example, but the condition this division algorithm should be satisfied and this condition should be satisfied. So you can make a note here, any polynomial with the division polynomial as a constant polynomial, we always get a polynomial which have the degree equal to the degree of quotient polynomial. So this can be a one way of thinking, and there are many ways to think on these kind of question. You can have many answer. So you just check these two conditions should be satisfied. That kind of example you can take. Next, one more question from the same part. Degree of qx is equal to degree of rx this time. For that I have taken another example, px x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1 and gx as I have taken x square plus 2. So when I divide the given polynomial by x square plus 2, I am getting here quotient polynomial is x plus 2 and remainder polynomial is x minus 3. As you can see, division, first time it will go x times, x cube will come, 2x will come, this get cancelled, minus 2x plus x will become minus x. So when you divide again 2x square by x square, you will get 2. When you multiply there, then 2x square plus 4, you will be left with minus x minus 3. What we can observe, degree of qx is 1 and degree of rx is also 1. So this condition is satisfying. And also we can observe here, px was x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, which can be written the multiplication of quotient polynomial and divisor polynomial, which I have written here, plus remainder polynomial is minus x minus 3. When you solve this, you can see x square multiplied by x is coming x cube, x square multiplied by 2, 2x square plus 2x plus 4 minus x minus 3. When you solve overall, you will get x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. So this we have seen that it is coming also, px is also coming equals to gx into qx plus rx. So here in this example we can observe the division algorithm is also satisfied and the given condition is also satisfied. So this is a correct example of asked condition. So let us check what we can observe from this example. Any polynomial you can take with the divisor polynomial as degree 1 less. So here I have taken the divisor polynomial degree is 1 less than the dividend polynomial. So kind of example also you can take. So there also can be many answer possible, and this may be a condition, this may be a one condition. You can take many other condition, and in such a way you can write the polynomials which satisfy these both condition. Let us check one more example. Degree of Rx is 0. So for this I have taken this exercise question 1 part 2 only. We have solved it before also. Px x4 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Gx is coming, as gx was given x square plus 1 minus x. When we divided that 2, we got x square plus x minus 3. So Rx is coming 8 here. As you can observe here, this degree of the remainder polynomial is coming 0. So it is a constant polynomial. So we can take this example correct, and we already have seen this in the question 1 part 2. The polynomial is satisfying the division algorithm. When you multiply gx by qx and you will add rx, you will get the same polynomial px. And also here degree of Rx is 0. So this is a correct example. But you make sure that remainder polynomial should not be 0. The value of Rx should not be 0. Why we say that? Since the degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. So we cannot take Rx as 0. So you have to take as a constant polynomial only. That is nothing but any constant number, any numeric number you can take. So I hope you have understood about the division algorithm and division process in polynomials, and writing the polynomials with the given condition. So I hope you are liking my videos. Please like, subscribe and share, and check the playlist for upcoming videos, and please click the bell icon so that you will be updated with the new videos. Thank you so much for watching.